I took month-long vacations in the stratosphere, and you know it's really hard to hold your breath. Swear I lost everything I ever loved or feared. I was a cosmic kid in full costume dress, but my feet, they finally took root in the air. But I got me a nice little place in the stars, and I swear